Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this bear-shaped coaster. Here are the materials. I will be using this Red Heart Super Saver in the shade of beige and 5mm hook. First step is to make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers to create a circle shape. Next, insert your hook and pull up a loop. It's the same as doing a slip knot, but not complete. After that, grab the longer yarn and chain 2. This is easier version of doing a magic ring. And now, we're going to do a 10 double crochet inside of the circle. To do a double crochet, first step, yarn over, insert your hook on the magic ring, and then again yarn over and pull on the 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull on the last 2 loops. So repeat this step until you finish 10 double crochet. Pull the short yarn to bring the yarn close together and to create a circle shape. Next, to join them together, do a slip stitch. Next, chain 2, and for round 2, we need to do a double crochet in each stitch. 1 double crochet in the first stitch, and another double crochet on the same stitch. Repeat doing 2 double crochet in each stitch until you finish round 2. And the last step for round 2 is to do a slip stitch. To begin with your round 3, chain 2, and the pattern for this is 1 double crochet on the first stitch, and on the second stitch, that's the time you will do your increase, so you will make 2 double crochet on the second stitch, and do that alternate. Now I'm doing the first double crochet, and then on the second stitch I will do my increase, so I will make 2 double crochet on the same stitch. Repeat this pattern until you reach the end. To finish round 3, do a slip stitch. To begin with your round 4, chain 2. The pattern for round 4 is 1, 1, and 2. 1 meaning 1 double crochet in each stitch, and 2 is 2 double crochet in each stitch. On the first 2 stitch, you will do 1 double crochet in each, and on the third stitch, that's the time you will do your increase, so make 2 double crochet on the third stitch. Repeat this pattern alternate until you finish round 4. Now slip stitch to join them together. And chain 1. And next is 20 single crochet around. After you finish doing the single crochet of 20, we are now ready to do the ear of the bear. First chain 1 and then 5 double crochet on the next stitch. Next chain 1, and next step is to do a single crochet, a total of 10. Next step, chain 1, and on the next stitch we will be doing 5 double crochet for the next ear. Next step, chain 1 and then continue doing a single crochet until you complete the last round. After you reach the end of the round, do a slip stitch and fasten the yarn ends. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you guys! There you have it guys. Thank you for watching and supporting my YouTube channel. See you on my next one. Goodbye.